Namaskar. Do you know that the Japanese government has made certain laws mandatory? They say that men should not have more than 33.5-inch waistline and women should not have 35.4-inch waistline. So now understand that waistline is measured to control the obesity. Dubai pays its citizens in gold for reducing every kilogram, and Denmark imposed fat tax on food to control obesity. Obesity has become a global epidemic. The world is becoming fatter than ever before, and the people are motivated to reduce weight than ever before. Also, the false emphasis on importance of being thin to look beautiful is driving people crazy. People are under psychological pressure to become thinner, and eventually what happens? They start following extreme diet plan to reduce fast, and some of these things are dangerous. Let me tell you, crash diet definitely reduces weight in a shorter term. In longer term, it will start showing many harmful effects. In 1970, an osteopath wrote a bestseller book. The name was Last Chance Diet. This book really created havoc. People followed this and people started reducing so well that they were so happy. This osteopath's book, which was a bestseller, what did it recommend, do you know? Only liquid protein diet. People were so happy. They were just following that and reducing so fast. They were seeing the benefit and they were just doing it. But then, after a few years, they found that many of them had heart attacks, many of them had a problem like cancer, and so many other diseases. The outcome of all such crash diet could be heart problem, diabetes, asthma, osteoporosis, orthopedic problems, digestive system disorders, and so many such things that people should think twice before having a crash diet. There are three basic kinds of crash diet. Number one, low carb diet. Person totally removes foods containing carbohydrates. So what happens? The diet becomes high in fat and protein, less of vegetables, less of fruits, less of fibers, increases the chances of cancer in the body. And it also opens the inflammatory pathways. High protein in this crash diet leads to calciuria and affects our bones. Number two, low fat diet. These low fat diets, usually by default, are high carbohydrate diets. In this low fat diet, person eliminates all other foods and consumes only vegetables, fruits and whole grains. So such diet increases your blood sugar level above normal. Some amount of fat is definitely required in our body for the best metabolism, for best absorption and assimilation of various foods. Third, low calorie diet. Here, people reduces all the calorie intakes. They don't want to eat food. I have seen people food and they don't want to eat. This is too fat, this is too this is hardly anything. No food. People, even if they eat food, they would like to vomit it out. Such tendency happens. With low calorie diet, what happens? It causes cholelithiasis, ketosis, and increases serum uric acid concentration. It also increases the risk of the loss of cardiac muscles, which are so strong in our body, pumping all the time. So, we need to have sufficient calorie intake in a day. Overall, the crash diet reduces the weight instantly and gives immense achievement to the practitioner. But in longer run, it has shown some severe health effects. So crash diet should always be followed consulting a doctor and not a friend. The key to lose weight should always be a combination of diet and exercise. Focusing on just one can never give you healthy results. In life, Any practice, not just diet, if followed to its extreme, can cause more harm than good. Whether it is talking, eating, sleeping, working, or any exercise. Yoga talks about balance. Make sure that your diet has all the macronutrients and micronutrients required for the whole day. Listen to your stomach, listen to your hunger, and accordingly you should eat. Do not overeat, and more importantly, bring exercise in your routines. Also, bring some lifestyle changes in your life so that it becomes your personality. In workplace, if you are sitting in computer for a long time, as all of us are doing now, every half an hour take a round in the room and sit again. Every half an hour look at something which is very far from you and sit again. Form such habits. Make sure you are physically active all the time, not just sitting for long. Don't behave like a couch potato, ordering things for you. Get up, do things yourself, run, climb. All these things are very important in today's time. So understand, reduce your weight gradually with balanced diet and exercise all the time. Keep smiling. Don't be in a hurry. Respect your body. Respect yourself. Spread love. Spread joy. And you should know that you are in any case beautiful. Namaskar.